In today's fast-paced digital landscape, the need for seamless, secure, and efficient connectivity has never been more critical. Due to inefficient manufacturing processes, production and deployment are often complex and costly. This is where G&D comes in. With our AirOn360 In-Factory eSIM solution, which is based on the upcoming SGP42 standard, devices are born connected and equipped for secure connectivity right out of the factory. This eliminates the need for manual configuration or human intervention post-deployment. Securely loaded eSIM profiles during the manufacturing process are the perfect solution for a wide range of industries like automotive and smart metering, as well as consumer and IoT devices. This allows manufacturers to simplify device onboarding, reduce costs, enhance security, and accelerate time to market. With over 30 years of expertise in SIM technologies, we offer customizable solutions tailored to diverse industry needs with the highest service availability and comprehensive support throughout the provisioning process.